It's on speakerphone so you can hear it.
Hello?
Hi.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Chasing?
What? Kissing who?
Huh?
Did you say you're kissing somebody?
Yeah, I'm chasing somebody.
Really?
No, I'm not kicking anybody. I wish I could be right now, but I'm not.
Nothing. So how was your evening? That's exciting. I'm just sitting here reading my papers that I have to do for college.
Not like that.
What? What do you mean it doesn't sound like Beth? It's me.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
That doesn't sound like you.
Are you high?
No.
You must be. You don't even know what my voice sounds like. Seriously, gosh.
Like different. Like every time like you say something, it's like a little different.
How so?
Also?
Shelby, answer my question.
What?
How so?
Yeah, so. Every time you say something.
I say what?
What?
Say what?
Anything.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Have you been smoking something?
I don't know.
You don't know if you've been smoking something or not. Hey, are you still there? Are you sure? Or is that the ghost of Shelby? What did you say? Repeat. You're not loud enough. What?
Positive I'm still here.
Okay, you're not dead. That's good. Are you sure you're okay? I think you're smoking something. What did you say?
I'm not.
She's not smoking anything. Okay, just making sure. So, how's school going? I said, how's school going?
Bye.
What about lunch? I said, what about lunch?
I can't understand the last word you said. And what about?
Lunch!
I can't understand too. What?
Are you deaf,
I think literally something.
I mean, seriously.
What?
Well, I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna say bye now. Bye. This is Beth and. Adios. She hung up on me.
Did she really?
Adios. Hey. I said adios. Do you know what that means?
Adios.
Heidi ho.
Oh my God. Adios.
Bye, Shelby.
I love you. I love you.
Who's that?
It's me. It's me, seriously. I don't know why. You must be.
Your cat's joking.
It's
Hairball.
hairball. You'll be okay, Shelby. I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye. Oh my gosh. It took her how many minutes to tell that it was me?